Yes, fam. All done. Fritters all fried off. Porridge all cooked, sweetened, and all of that. So I'm gonna proceed now. Look at your banana porridge. It's all done, all sweetened, boiled with coconut milk and sweetened with condensed milk. Look at the creaminess. Look at it. It's your banana porridge, y'all. Look at it. So now you're gonna give it one last stir because you're gonna proceed to dishing up some of your porridge and put this to breakfast, Sunday morning breakfast combo together, y'all. Okay? Now you're gonna use your ladle to ladle up some of your porridge in your bowl. You know we always get like a mess right this, but you know, Debbie don't always look at the porridge, y'all. Look at this porridge. Look at this porridge, y'all. And you know I always show you how to clean. You have a clean cloth, the clean dishcloth. You just proceed. Put your finger, your index finger, and you clean right around the edge of the bowl. But it looks presentable. You know, always talk about presentation, y'all. Okay? So you have your porridge inside your bowl. Now, right? And you have your fritters. So you know, so you're going to use your hands. Hands are clean for your fritters. Yeah, when they're assembling burger, all of them something there. And look here, when you're running a fast food establishment, or you're on your hand to go, and it's peak time when a lot of people out there waiting on them food, nobody have the time to take the tongue, dung dang ding dang dong. Now you use your hands. Hands are clean. Yes, and you proceed to take your fritters. And let's make sure your fritters have these nice pretty colors. No burn. Okay, you all know burning and blacking and nasty looking fritters, presentable looking fritters, y'all. And you know, yeah, Ozzy love whole heap of fritters and man, they like fritters, yeah? So you set them. And okay, you're gonna have your hard dough bread. Fritters. So we have sliced hard dough bread. Yeah. And if you want to use your butter, I'm going to put a little twist to it. You use your butter. I'm going to put some peanut butter to just gig up this thing, y'all. And you need to try this. Put some peanut butter on your bread. To me when I'm done. So you can all send me one. That was just a joke. So you're going to put your peanut butter on your bread. And if you love to, if you love it a lot, you can put it on both sides. But I'm just going to put it on one side. Okay, y'all, just a little gig, but if you have your regular butter, your regular margarine, you can proceed to coat your bread. Okay? But I'm just putting a little gig. But you all can try this. Okay? And you have your bread knife over here. And you're gonna slice your bread diagonally. You're gonna put it right there. And there you have it. From my kitchen to yours. From my kitchen to your plate, to your stomach. It's my banana porridge breakfast combo. Enjoy, y'all. Yeah? Now, what I want to do, I want to take one slice of my bread. The porridge is hot, so I won't be able to taste porridge for you this morning. But what I want to show you all is to take some of your peanut butter, y'all. Yes, I want to show you how you do this thing. And you put on your bread. Use as much as you like. Okay? Just a little twist. And you're gonna put your bread. You're going to, you try it. Try it. And when you do, let me know in the comments below. Put your warm, nice fritters between your peanut butter and your bread. And give it a bite. Try it, y'all. From my kitchen to yours once more. Sunday morning breakfast. Banana porridge. I'm sorry, y'all. Let me get my mouth all empty. So, it's your Sunday morning banana porridge breakfast combo from West Indian Delight. Now you can use whatever porridge you choose. You can use oats porridge, whatever planting. And now the weather is changing. It's getting cooler. So porridges will be coming. The porridge videos, I'm sorry you all. I'm having a little mess. But look here. Our kitchen we're there. The porridge videos will be coming. They will be coming. So keep your notifications on. The weather is getting cooler. Porridge and soups, that's the time for it now. We couldn't have done all of those in those hot weather. So as we go along, we'll get you right in on them. Okay? And if you have liked this Sunday morning breakfast combo video, please to give it a thumbs up. Continue to subscribe to the channel as I see you're doing. Share your comments, share the videos with your friends, and continue to leave your comments below. Remember to up on over to the Jamaican Debbie Debs. It's up and running. We are posting. Up right on over. Subscribe, share, like. Thank you all. Thank you. Love you so much. And once more, from my kitchen to yours, enjoy. Love you all. Boop.